Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Eshani again, and as festive season is still on as well as the wedding season is also going on, then why not indulge yourself in some good holiday skincare. Today in this video I'm gonna show how to achieve glowing skin from within with just a few steps in 45 minutes, all just sitting back at home and enjoying the holidays. I'll be using Nature's facial kit, and accordingly I'll show you how to use each and every product, their benefits, results, steps, techniques, everything. So just stick around till the end to discover a new you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So that's my bare skin and my doggy behind me. So I'll start off by applying the D10 Therapy Wipe Off Mask, which is a pre-facial prep that enhances the results of any facial multifold, as this clears all the kinds of tan from the deeper layers of the skin. I'll let it rest on my face for 15 minutes and then wipe it off with a wet sponge. Also, I'll be applying each and every product on my neck as well, because I don't want it to look different in color from my face after the cleanup. The D10 Therapy Mask contains coconut oil, grapeseed oil, papaya extract, argan oil and lactic acid. All of these helps in detanning, and this is also made in India product and cruelty free and vegan, and retails for only rupees 260 per pack. So next I'll wet my face. Not wet, actually I'll dampen it and apply the cleanser, and it mentions at the back of the tube to massage in circular motions for 5 minutes and then wipe it off again with a wet sponge. It has almond oil, olive oil and papaya extracts, which leaves your skin clean and fresh for the next step. And also all of these tubes come individually sealed. It consists of 4 tubes of 15 grams each, plus 1 D10 therapy tube of 15 ml free. So next I'll be using the scrub. Again I'll dampen my face and use circular strokes, keeping it light and gentle around the eye area, and I'll do this for the next 5 minutes and wipe it off. This scrub has solely papaya extracts, which is extremely beneficial for a healthy skin, as it exfoliates and smoothens the texture of our skin. Next I'll be using the massage cream. This actively works on blemishes, leaving your skin even toned and radiant. This massage cream contains almond oil, wheat germ oil, olive oil and papaya extract. I'll be massaging for 5 minutes and then wipe off with the same wet sponge. This is a 3-use pack, which means you can use this facial kit for 3 persons or thrice on yourself, and this is suitable for all skin types. We are left with the last step, that is the face pack. This face pack provides a firm effect, leaving our skin even toned, clear and glowing. This contains kaolin, aqua, papaya extract and lactic acid. I'll keep it on for 5 minutes until dry and wipe off after that as mentioned, and I'll follow it up with a toner and a moisturizer before ending it, because it is a winter season and I have combination skin, so I can't skip a moisturizer. Their ingredients list is clearly mentioned at the back of the pack, and it's not shady at all. They maintained the transparency, which I loved the most. Also, they mentions rather recommends to use the product every 2 weeks for best results. It claims a parlor-like glow at home, which we will judge at the end of the video. I'll be attaching a picture as well as my before and after transformational results. So yeah, that is how my skin looks after the cleanup, and the difference is clearly visible in person and on camera as well. I'll attach a clip of my bare skin before the cleanup so that you can make out the difference properly. I'll attach a picture of both before and after the cleanup for your reference. I rarely do skincare videos, but when I make such videos, I also make sure I provide 100% authentic reviews, because after all, it's skincare, so I can't be misleading at any cost. So I hope you like this video. There's nothing much to say before I end this, just that this comes in 5 variants, Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how was your experience, because so far mine was amazing. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for more details, and I'll see you guys real soon with some other video. Till then, enjoy your holidays, indulge in some skincare, take care of yourself and your family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye.